Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching all the videos. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you check the 2 videos of my recent videos. And today we will be talking about the healthy breakfast. Now I would be the last person you want to heard about the healthy breakfast because I am a very lazy person, and for me breakfast was like chai pee lenge ya namkeen kha liya ya something sort of unhealthy. But I learned this very late that breakfast is the very healthy and important meal of the day, and today I am going to show you the 7 recipes that you can have 7 days of the week. As far as it's concerned guys, it requires minimum cooking skills, so even boys can try these recipes. Now breakfast should be healthy. Why? Because when you eat healthy, when you feed yourself healthy, it reflects on your face, on your mood, and trust me, when you eat healthy, you will feel happy for a full day. And without boring you guys more, I will quickly jump into the video. So for the first recipe, we need only fruit, chia seeds and honey. And now fruits are a very good source of carbs and fibers. Chia seeds is really good source of omega fatty acids, and honey is for the taste because many people don't like to eat fruit, but it is very healthy. And if you will eat in this way, it is an experiment and you will feel good while having this, and it will keep you fuller till lunch if you will have this for your breakfast. For the second recipe, we have breads, brown breads, not white breads, brown breads, peanut butter, banana and boiled eggs. Now what you need to do, roast, you can make a toast of your breads, or you can use simple breads or whatever you want. Spread the peanut butter, slice over it with a fruit. I like banana, so you can put banana or apple or strawberries or berries, any kind of fruit. Make sure you have a fruit in your breakfast, and with that you can have boiled egg. Now while I say boiled egg, remove the egg yolk, only have the white wala part. It is very healthy, it is a good source of protein, and it is why I chose peanut butter over the normal butter, because peanut butter is a good source of proteins and fat as compared to the Amul wala salted butter. For the third recipe, we need only our favorite cornflakes with skimmed milk. Why I chose skimmed milk? Because I am trying to lose weight, and skimmed milk is a good source. It does not have any fat, and it is good to consume skimmed milk over the toned milks and double toned. So skimmed milk with cornflakes, and you can add fruits and nuts and chia seeds, and it's a very filling breakfast guys. And you can make it, you don't need to require any cooking skills. You just need to cut fruits, add it into the bowl, add cornflakes, and as much as you want the milk you can add and mix up. You can add even nuts like walnuts or almonds if you want for the better taste. For the fourth recipe, what we need to do is we require 2 eggs and 2 breads. That's it. And butter, a tablespoon of butter, and all you need to do, just break your eggs, put it into a bowl, and add salt, pepper or chili flakes or anything you want according to your taste. I only add salt, and then I whisk it for like 4 to 5 minutes, and then I just simply put 1 tablespoon in the pan, and then just I pour it and let it fry for like 4 to 5 minutes, and it's done. If you want to make your breads into the toast or anything like that, you can have it in that way, or it simply tastes good. Now it is a very simple breakfast, but it is very filling, and if you want to add a fruit into your plate, you can. And I I think after 2 eggs, 2 breads and a fruit, you won't need anything. So for the 5th recipe, we need only 2 eggs, a bunch of vegetables, and that's it. All you need to do is take 2 eggs and then add a few vegetables. Like I add capsicum, onion, tomato and coriander for a better taste. And if you want, you can add a bunch of beans and carrots to make your omelette much healthier and veggie. So veg omelette is a very filling breakfast, because after that you don't feel need to have anything else. I mean, for me, if I had a full veg omelette, I don't need anything for like 2 to 3 hours after that. And veg omelette is a very good option. It has carbs, it has fat, and it is very nutritionist, and it is very easy to make. You need to do nothing, just add everything into the bowl and just whisk it and make it. It is very healthy. You can add spinach if you want for a good taste or a variation. So for the 6th breakfast, all you need bunch of vegetables, mayo and breads. That's it. What you do, you just need to grate your vegetables like capsicum, carrot, beans or anything you want to add in your sandwich. Add mayo in it, salt and pepper, and you can add even oregano, pizza oregano or anything to taste it, make it taste better. And spread the Amul butter or garlic butter or any kind of butter you want on the breads, and then the mixture on the breads, and that's it. That's all for the Veg Mayo sandwich. It's very easy to make, and that's it. Is the oats, milkshake and boiled eggs. Now boiled eggs, you don't need to know how to boil egg. And for the oats milkshake, you need a grinder and you need to roast the oats. Like don't add oil in the pan, just simply roast it and then add it into the grinder. Add skimmed milk, add a bunch of nuts and a favorite fruit. Like I sometimes skip the fruit to, if you want to thicken the consistency, you can add the fruit, but I sometimes don't. And then if you have ice cream or if you want to add ice cream, it's just up to you. So you can add, and that's it. That's all for the oats. I mean, like, I hate oats. I cannot eat masala oats or like any kind of oats, but oats milkshake is the only way of oats I can consume. So this is my favorite, and for if you still feel hungry, you can have boiled eggs with it. So that's all, guys. That's the 7 breakfasts you can have in a 7-day of week, and they, as I told you, they require zero cooking skills, and they are very quick. You don't need XYZ or something out of the box. All things are available in your kitchen. So make sure next time you cook, you try these recipes, and if you do, please comment down below if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button because I make video every week. See you next week. Bye.